Beautiful.
Oh, Jerred.
Those shoes do actually work.
You gave me so much flack about that.
You are my favorite place to go. You're at the end of my favorite road. Above the rest, you're the best I know.
What do you think?
I think it's gorgeous. I think you're gorgeous.
Thank you.
So Jerred comes into the family, and we're like, Dad, I met this guy. I was like, okay, you met this guy, okay. Well, tell me about him. Well, he's got horses, Dad. He's got horses. He loves horses. He owns horses. Well, that's great. You love horses. Dad, he's a pilot. Well, that's really cool. He's a pilot. He's a mechanic. He does all these great things. Dad, his dad's a pastor. Wow, this is great. And his mom is a hospice nurse. Like, this is like incredible. But Dad, he's a little country.
By marrying Rachel, you are going to become a better friend, because she is, without a doubt, the best friend I have ever had, the most consistent, intentional, and loving friend, and that hasn't changed a bit, even though I'm 8 hours away now.
Had Rachel not pursued me with all of her heart and towards the Lord as much as she did, that I would not be in the place that I am today with my faith. And I think that that's just so telling of the kind of person that she is, and what a better role model to have than your little sister to be, Christ-like and loving and selfless.
All I can think about is how excited I am to marry my best friend. I can't imagine doing life with anyone else but you.
Today, we will be united as one in front of all of our favorite people, and my heart is bursting knowing I get to call you mine for the rest of my life.
Shotgun wedding.
I really always saw myself standing up here and trying to articulate how all she's ever really been seeking is a life full of spontaneity and adventure. But for the past 3 years, you've given her a life full of private plane rides and a house full of pets and road trips and camping trips, and now, most importantly, the adventure of building a life serving the Lord together as husband and wife. You already know how to love her the very best, and as her best girl, I could not be more thankful for you.